Welcome to Indus Valley Civilization Part 1. The earliest city discovered in India was answer Harappa. The Indus or Harappan civilization is distinguished from the other contemporary civilization by its answer underground drainage system, which one of the following Harappan sites is not located in Gujarat? Answer Sutka Jendor. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is presently in Pakistan? Answer Harappa. The Great Bath of Indus Valley Civilization is found at answer Mohenjo-daro. As ration, there is no conclusive proof of the presence of temples or public places of worship in the Indus civilization. Reason: to the Harappans, religion was perhaps more a personal and a private matter than a public affair. Answer: A is true, but R is false. The social system of the Harappans was answer fairly egalitarian. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? Answer Lothal. Which statement on the Harappan civilization is correct? Answer Pasupati was penetrated by them. The Harappans did not know the use of answer iron. There are similarities between the seals found at Mohenjo-daro and answer Sumeria. What was the time period of Indus or Harappan civilization? Answer 2500 BC to 1750 BC. The organic relationship between the ancient culture of the Indus Valley and the Hinduism of today is proven by the worship of answer stone, trees, and animals. The Harappans had commercial relations with answer Mesopotamia. The granary discovered at Harappa was located. Answer. Near the river Ravi. Indus Valley civilization type was found in. Answer. Sumer, Egypt, China. All the three. The Indus Valley Civilization has been assigned to the period 2500 to 1800 BC on the basis of answer radiocarbon dating. The most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is answer unicorn bull. One of the following Indus Valley site is in Pakistan. Answer Harappa. The Harappan civilization do not have homogeneity or uniformity in answer burial practices. The local name of Mohenjo-daro is answer mound of the dead.